Hello and welcome to your morning meditation. In these next few minutes, you will fill your mind and your body with calm, positive energy so you can start the day feeling clear, strong, and ready. Let's start. Please sit comfortably, close your eyes, and allow your body to soften. Notice your breathing. Don't change it, just notice it. Now let's try to take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. Inhale fresh energy and exhale all tension. Continue breathing at your own pace. Each inhale bringing light into your body, and each exhale releasing what no longer serves you. Now imagine a golden sunrise rising in the distance. Its light touching your skin and filling you with warmth. With each breath, this light grows brighter inside you, filling your mind with clarity and your heart with gratitude. Feel your body awaken to the possibilities of today. As you breathe, silently repeat after me. I'm calm. I'm ready. I'm open to today's blessings. I breathe in energy and peace. I trust my path and I welcome good things into my life. Let these words settle deep within you. Now take one final deep breath in. Fill your lungs completely. Exhale slowly, feeling refreshed, centered, ready for the day ahead. Now, when you're ready, open your eyes and go forward with peace, purpose, and positivity.